How to cancel YouTube Premium subscription or free trial. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can open up your YouTube application in your device. Now from here, you need to head over and select on your profile icon. Right from your profile icon, you will see the option of paid membership, or if you are subscribed to premium, you will see the option of premium. You need to click on the option of Premium YouTube or just tap on Paid Membership. Then select on the membership you wish to cancel. Whether it is a free trial or premium subscription, it will work either way. Now, for the further cancellation, tap on the Continue button. Select your reason for cancelling and tap on the Next button. Now, for the final cancellation, tap on Yes, Cancel. By this way, you'll be able to cancel your YouTube Premium subscription or free trial without any hassle. However, if you face any of the difficulty regarding it, you can always check out YouTube Help, in where you can find solution based on your device such as Android, computer or iPhone or iPad. So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.